Hi, I'm Steve Solosky, the traveling professor, and Italians love a drink called a Negroni, especially at Christmas time. And today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Negroni. Let's make a Negroni. We're going to need 1 part gin, 1 part Italian vermouth, and 1 part Campari, along with some nice orange as garnish. It's pretty simple. Take the Campari, vermouth, and gin, and it's important to stir it. Don't shake it. It's a completely different drink when you shake it. So the right way to make a Negroni is to stir it. Put the strainer on top. Pour it. Add your garnish. And you're ready to go. And there it is, the perfect Negroni.